Right, I'm just going to another hotel to have a look round, and first place to come in is the Animal Kingdom Lodge, so we're going to go on this one. Well, welcome back. I've just come off the bus. I'm at Animal Kingdom Lodge. First impressions, wow. I'll spin you around. It looks very nice. I'll have a look round, and I've got my drinks cooked with me, so I can have a drink in the restaurant. Like I say, with being a hotel guest, you get a resort mug, but you can have a drink in any of the resorts. So I brought it with me so I can have a drink here and have a chill out, and then I'm going to head back to Magic Kingdom to look at another hotel. But this is well, this is really nice. Oh, this is stunning. We'll have a look round first, and then we'll go and have a drink. We'll look in the shop as well. That's to the rooms, the restaurants, the laundry room. It's really nice, it is. Let's have a look down here. There's a giraffe. Wow. I think this is this is a quick breakfast restaurant, and this is the lounge in here. So we'll have a look in. Like I said, I'm a resort guest, so I can have a look anyway. It's a nice bar. This is one of the restaurants. This is stunning round here. Wow, zebras. This is so nice. We actually our first hotel, we actually booked this hotel for this year, but obviously we paid the deposit, but because we couldn't get, we've got two dogs at home, and because we couldn't get the dog in the kennel on the dates that we wanted, That's why we changed to Port Orleans, but we were going to be staying here. It's stunning. There you go. Thank you. There you go. That is nice out there. I ought to actually take some photos, really. I think I will. I'll take some photos as we're going along. I can always put the camera down and take some photos. But yeah, this is such a nice hotel. I'll put it down here. I'll just take some photos. We'll just actually go over here.
Like an antelope.
I'll just put the camera down here. Hello, you alright?
How you doing?
Alright, thanks to you.
Any questions about the animals? Yeah, to answer.
Alright, thank you very much.
Yeah. So where you visiting from? Where you visiting from?
I'm staying at Port Orleans at the minute.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I just come over to just to do a couple of videos and just have a look around here.
So you love animals?
Yeah, yeah.
What's your favorite animal?
I like them all actually. Yeah, yeah, I do.
Can I educate you a bit about that one, that white one? Do you see it back?
Oh yeah,
So that's a type of antelope.
right.
It's called an addax.
Yeah,
So the addax is native to northern Africa, so sub-Sahara. Basically, it's a desert antelope. But it being a desert antelope, it means, and you can find it here, it means it adapts to any weather, right?
right. Yeah,
So in winter, it's brown tops of the heat, and then as like the warmer days come, it changes color and it becomes white. So winter brown tops of the heat, summer white to reflect the sun.
oh right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also, it's an endangered species.
Right. Yeah.
So there's about 100 of them left in the wild. So Disney has like this really cool program, like a breeding program where we try to breed them because we don't want them to become extinct.
No, that's right.
Yeah, so we had 2 babies this year. So we're trying. We want them to breed more and more.
Yeah.
Because, yeah.
That's good.
So we have 9 of them here in the lodge.
Right.
And so as soon as like they grow, like there's one that was taken to like a different facility, so we'll take like the male to a different facility where there's other females, so he can breed with like the other females.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. That's good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank
Just
you.
like I don't know if you've heard about the okapi.
No.
Okapi. You need to go over by the savannah, that's by the pool.
Right.
You need to check out an animal it has like zebra pants, it looks like a horse.
Oh right. Yeah. I will do. Yeah.
Okapi.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, some good information there. Oh, this place is lovely. Right, let's go in and take some more pictures. This is another one on my list again. You know, we actually did, let's say we did book this one. We'll go upstairs now. I'll take some pictures in here. We'll have a look round outside, and then we'll probably head back to the Magic Kingdom, and I think we'll want to do Riviera next. But yeah, I could easily stay here. Easily stay here. So I need to look at where the pool is. We'll go around the shop. I would have had normal. It's just got the normal things in it. Just a few Animal Kingdom. That's the new bag. Well, wife's got the other bag. It was white. DVC suitcase. I quite like that bag actually. Yeah, that bag's quite nice. So, look how much it is. See how much it is, and it's free. Might be another one. I'll tell you how much it is. No. Nice bag though. Right, see if I can find this is quite nice. This is lovely. This is. Obviously that's. So we need to look to see where the pool is. It's just really nice hotel. So we've got what's self-parking. Reception. We'll have a walk round anyway. I think we've got a fitness centre around here. I think I can smell. Do you know that smell of the pool? You can smell it. I think yeah, that's the pool. Look at it, stunning. Yeah, definitely the pool area. Well, it is a big pool area actually. It is. if you're booking a hotel, this is another one definitely worth checking out. You got the bar. You've got the drinks, beers. I'd say the pool will be open probably the same time as normal. I think it's 11 o'clock. Yeah, it is 11 o'clock. Yeah, that's a late time for pool. But you're on holiday, so yeah. Yeah, it's a really nice hotel. I'll probably carry on walking round because you never know. I don't want to miss anything. And then I'm just going to jump on the bus back to Magic Kingdom and catch another bus back to Riviera. But yeah, this is one on the list to actually try and do again. And that's for your car park there. You can't get back round there. That's for your cars. I've got this way. And I'm taking a picture of the toilet. That's really good.
Okay. No, man.
I think if you're going to stay in a Disney hotel, I think your sport is for choice. There's something for everyone. Yeah, I don't actually know. I think there's another bit to this. Yeah, it might be. Obviously, that's where I caught the bus. Yeah, I think whether you get taken to another turn. Yeah, it's over here somewhere. But that is really nice. You are actually spoilt for choice of what hotel to stay in Disney. Wow, it's a big car just turning up. I'll have a quick walk around here. See what else is here before I head back to the bus stop. Not sure whether this is another bit or I'll have a quick look. This might be the rooms. Oh, look at that, you can see a giraffe.
Mom, I'm just going to get the bell again.
This is obviously the rooms. Rooms are, look at the rooms. It's lovely and cool in here as well. Yeah, I think these are the rooms. I think I had a lobby, pool and rest. Oh, that way. Yeah, these are the rooms. I head back, I don't want to disturb anyone.
Right, left.
But yeah, it's really nicely decorated as well. I'll go out this way. It's okay. It's such a nice place. Have a quick walk around here. And then I'll head back. Don't think there's actually... I think the home's down there. I think that's just a car park actually. But no, it's a lovely hotel. Have a quick look in again. Oh. Hello. Yeah, I think there is a bigger bit.
Saw a giraffe?
What ship is that there, guys? Which one is that? All right, guys, let's go eat, shall we?
Have a quick look down here and then
You're gonna walk it into the thing and can't see on it. Look at that giraffe back there.
actually just the rooms again. This is right. I think I'll head back. Head back to the bus and get back to Magic Kingdom. Yeah, this is a lovely hotel.
Thank you so much.
And that's it. This is the reception area.
It is easier selection.
Right, I'll head back to the actual to the bus. Yeah, this is going to Magic Kingdom. So where? I've just been to the. I've been here. Right. Kingdom Village. Straight down. I think I might have to try that. Have a look, see if we can find it.
Why wouldn't he be?
That's going to Disney Springs anyway, so. I knew there was another bit. It must be the other side, but whether you can walk round anyway. Jumbo House. We'll have a quick look anyway. I'm meeting my wife back in Magic Kingdom tonight for something to eat. I think we're just going to have a hot dog and chips and sort of something, you know, in the park, because we're going to watch the fireworks. I think they want to go on Tiana's Bayou again and get wet. But we'll have a quick look around here and then I'll jump on the bus. There's some sports courts over there. I think this is just the actual. I know you can go along here. That's okay. Only took about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes to get back to Magic Kingdom. It wasn't that bad, and they're very regular. I'd say they're every 5 minutes, the buses. But going in there and you're just seeing giraffes walk by. There's a lizard again, down there. There's loads of them around, these little lizards. You nearly tread on them. You do. I'd say that's where I've just been in the Kidani village. Whether this is a restaurant, I don't know. Because obviously that's the one that's got the pool. So they do have savannah rooms here, which overlook the park. that's another bus stop over there. We'll have a quick look anyway. There's plenty of parking for the cars. No, mind, I could probably walk right straight round in circles.
I would rather have Burke here.
I'd rather have Benny here.
Don't know though. This looks like another stop. See, they might have two places to actually where you stay, the village or here. And it just looked like another check-in. We'll have a look anyway. See what. I'll probably walk around in circles. I don't know though. Probably not. Oh wow, no. Hello.
Have a beautiful evening.
No, this is the main lobby. Wow. It is stunning. Just really is stunning. Definitely worth actually walking around here. But I think it's definitely worth coming for a little drink at night. Oh, that's stunning, that is. So you've got a walkway up there so you can walk across. I'm taking pictures because my wife used to work for a travel agent and she got a free education on it. It was to here. And this was before we had children. So yeah, she came here for a week. Oh, that's the lounge. I might go down actually. It's actually and have a look round. This is obviously the like what they call the lobby. Oh, it smells gorgeous here. This looks like it's the reception area. Ah, it is, yeah. That's the office of the reception area. It's obviously Buffy. We'll go back up the stairs. The girls would love it here. I'm going to have to try and persuade them to have a night off at the park and come here. They would absolutely love it. Especially seeing the animals. We'll have a quick look in the shop and then it's absolutely stunning. We'll have a quick look in the shop. Wow. That's fantastic. I could watch him all day. Them Animal Kingdom is. I know someone will want them. I know she got a pair of ears. I'm not sure whether she's got them actually. She got the Animal Kingdom bag. Yeah, let's have a look to see how much this is again. See if this time this one's got a price on. It is. Oh, it has. That's 69. 88. That is. They're mostly all about $90 each. The one I bought today was $90. Disney did loads of, looking after the animals. The watches. But no, the girls would absolutely love it here. It's just, here's just the normal things that the shops have, and then there's just some special merch that that you get, the carvings and that. But yeah, I'm glad I looked. That is this one is on my list now to come back, because like I say, we did book it last year. Right, I think I can't believe that chap there is carving while you're watching. A fantastic job. Well, I think we're going to have to come back here for a drink. Definitely. I'll take one last picture. See if we can get out the sun, which is a bit hard. Right, I'm going to shoot off and get the bus back to Animal Kingdom. Right, I think I'll leave this hotel one here, so I actually know where I am. Okay, I don't want to join them all up. I'm going to keep all these hotels separate, and See, on the next hotel, it depends on what bus it comes in. I want to do the Riviera and the animation. So we'll see what actually what bus comes in. If you'd like to subscribe to this channel, that'd be great. My name's Martin. And I'll see you in a bit. Well, we've just come to the Riviera Hotel. First impressions are nice, Kath.
Yeah.
You can tell with the you get this first impression.
When he did that, oh my god. My mouth must have been. I'll give you the same look I gave him. Just. I'm like, no, he
Yeah, the first impressions are really nice here.
I don't take any of my children.
Hello. This looks really nice in here. This is the Riviera Hotel. They've got a lovely cafe in here. Looks like they've got a little boutique. We'll have a look in. See what there is. Hello. Oh, they're nice, ain't they?
Yeah.
And then we'll drive 17 hours back home.
How much is the bag? That's really nice, though.
It's lovely.
It's a nice little lounge. Just heading to dining.
Looks like there's rooms.
I think the dining lobby. I think that's actually. view out the window is really nice. Dining's down there, Kath. Kath, dining. It's lovely. Oh yeah, I see, it's lovely. That's what we got. The Wish. I'm just going to have a quick look around here. This is the restaurant. I'm going to get a drink actually. It's quite a nice little restaurant actually. I brought my drink with me so I can have a drink. Just plonk you down a minute. And we want cherry. And we've got a drink. Like I say, you can use the cups in any hotel. But this is a nice hotel, this is. Lots of good facilities here. Have a quick look outside. Oh, the heat gets you here. It's when it's aircon in there. I just put you here. I just want to take some pictures. It's stunning. It is really nice. It's another one on my list, I think. There's just so many nice hotels. Like my daughter says, this is obviously a French vibe, so the Riviera, so it's really nice.
Is that my cherry?
It is your cherry. I've just had some, yeah, so you can share it. We can get some more anyway. Before we go, we'll fill it back up.
No. Got an attachment to it. Do you know why? It's a French thing.
I know. It's absolutely gorgeous, this is. It's nice, isn't it? Right before we get a shower, I think I'm going to head into Magic Kingdom, so thanks for watching, subscribing. Hope everyone likes the videos. I'll see you in Magic Kingdom. Well, we're back in Magic Kingdom. I've just been to the Riviera Hotel to have a look round. And we've come back in here. We're hungry, so we're going to get cases for something to eat. Please help, we're putting the mic on. People already waiting for the parade. It starts at 9.
American speaking.
Castle looks amazing. Well, we're going straight for something to eat. We'll cut through the Emporium. I still like them bags. Busy in here tonight. Turn it up. Well, that's a big stitch. his cases. It smells gorgeous in here. So I'm going to have something to eat. I'll find a table. There's a duck there.
I couldn't see us.
Right, I'm going to find something to eat. See you in a bit.